पहुंच गए इंट्रामुरोस आफ्टर
Namaste, Bahubali.
Bahubali. Oh my goodness. It took me 14 years to come back to this.
Yeah, Manila Cathedral.
After how many years? 12 years के बाद मैं पहुंचा इंट्रामुरोस. After 12 years. Wow. मैंने माइन जी को बोल दिया था आने के लिए, so she is there. You can see her going in front of me. चलो ये है. ओए माइन को say hi. Hello, Kebora. Okay. This is Intramuros. Nice. Lovely.
Our first destination is going to the Puerta Garden.
Okay.
Hindi naman kami magtatagal ko saglit lang.
Yes. Then our last destination, Fort Santiago. Okay,
The last
my
one, the
friend?
main one.
Yes, the
Yeah.
main one.
Ilan
Then,
yun?
this is the, I will drop here in the last destination, okay?
Opo. Yeah, sure.
Okay, go to Puerta Garden.
Ay, yan na yun?
Yes, ma'am.
Bilis lang pala.
Galing na kayo dyan?
Hindi.
Real, which mean royal. This is the royal gate during Spanish.
Okay.
Come on, sir. Then only king and then the highest family can enter here inside. This is the one in the original gate during Spanish.
No other gate was available. Only this was the only gate.
No, they have 7 gates before.
Ah.
Are you vlogger?
Yes.
Mo in India?
India.
Namaste, Bahubali.
Bahubali. Oh my goodness. You know Bahubali.
Bahubali.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Go inside, sir.
Okay.
Me, I'm waiting out.
Sure,
outside.
sure.
Okay, ah?
Sure.
Ma'am.
Perfect.
Kailangan mantay ko kayo, ah.
We will wait. We'll come out from here only, right? We'll come out from here. बहुत ही वेल मेंटेन जगह है, बहुत ही वेल मेंटेन जगह है। मतलब ये तो मैं सोचा नहीं था कि इतना वेल मेंटेन होगा ये। मतलब आप अगर देखो, अगर मैं आपको दिखाऊं यहाँ पे, आप देखो कितना वेल मेंटेन्ड है, ग्रीनरी एकदम सही है, मतलब परफेक्ट है यार। मतलब आई डोंट नो ये रात को कैसे दिखता होगा, लेकिन सही है। अभी के तो बहुत ही सही है। पेड़ पौधे, गर्मी नहीं है, दैट्स द मेन स्टफ कि अभी जितना गर्मी होना चाहिए उतना तो नहीं। हाँ, गर्मी थोड़ी तो आपको ह्यूमिडिटी लगेगी, लेकिन इतनी गर्मी भी नहीं है कि एकदम जल जाओ ना, वो नहीं है। तो पेड़ पौधे हैं, ये बहुत सही है। आप देखो मैं पीछे भी पेड़ वेड़, नेचर, हिस्ट्री, और क्या चाहिए जी आपको। यही है, यही है। हेलो 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 हेलो।
And Intramuros name given by Spanish, that's a Latin word, which means intra is inside, muros is wall. Inside the wall or within the wall. That's the meaning of Intramuros. Now we're going to the Baluarte de San Diego. Baluarte de San Diego, this is the former watchtower or the former lighthouse during Spanish. Because the
Okay.
Spanish became here in the Philippines 1571. During 1762 to 1764, because the British became here in the Philippines.
Oh, so British also came here?
Yes.
Okay, means after Philippines they went to India.
Yeah. Because in Spanish time, colonizing the Philippines more than
Yes.
333 years.
Hmm.
Then after that, British, American, and the last Japanese.
Look at her, how cleverly she climbs. Okay, good. Congratulations, you were on the first floor.
Manila Cathedral and the last is Puerta.
San Diego, that is the main one. So guys, after 13 years, I'm back here. Wow. Let's see what has changed. Change क्या हुआ है?
Oh, sige, sige. Ano ako, gray na car. Hintayin mo, lalabas na ako na.
ये फिलीपींस से ओल्डेस्ट चर्च है गाइस. It took me 14 years to come back to this. Lovely. बहुत दिन के बाद गए. 13 years, 14 years. Then I'm coming here. Same church. Manila. Hi Kitty, 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 kitty.
This is the Spanish house. Only rich people
Was staying in this place.
living here.
The architecture is still Spanish architecture.
Yes, sir.
It's okay, you can be there, no worries. You can be there, you actually no worries. Yes, Bahubali.
Bahubali! Manila Cathedral. This is the second oldest church in the Philippines and the biggest church here in the Intramuros.
So after this one, Saint Augustine, this is the main one.